Hey guys, welcome back to Alex Goes Coconuts. Today I'm going to be sharing my Amazon haul. I got myself a whole bunch of brand new summer vacation outfits. Now all the items that I'm going to show you in today's video, I will put the links in the description box down below if you are looking to buy them. All right, so let's begin with the top that I'm wearing. So I just purchased this on Amazon. I think it's a really cute knitted top. It comes with these cute little gold buttons and it's so comfortable. It's made of a super soft material. Now, what I like about this top is that you can dress it up or you can dress it down depending on the bottoms that you wear with the top. Now, I decided to pair it with these cute little elegant shorts that I got myself in this kind of creamy white color. Now these come in a whole bunch of different colors, but I just love the white color. I think it's so chic and I find that you can wear this with a nice blouse or even with this top and it looks really, really pretty. Now, if you're looking to accessorize those shorts, I really like this belt. It has this gold buckle and I love this cognac color. I think it's just so pretty and I think it'd be a really nice accessory to wear with the shorts or with just a nice pair of white pants. The next top I wanted to show you is this cute little embroidered top. I really love how delicate this top looks. The embroidery at the bottom of the shirt as well as the flowers on the sleeve makes this look so expensive and elevated. It's the perfect top for the summer. It's a very lightweight material, very, very breathable. And I decided to pair this top with a cute little pair of jeans. They're a dark blue wash, but they come in a whole bunch of other colors. You can go out to dinner with this just by dressing it up with some heels and a little purse. All right, the next item I wanted to show you is this cute little ruffle sleeved t-shirt. And I really like this because the little ruffled sleeves do elevate the t-shirt a little bit and make it look a little bit more put together. Now I got it in this light blue color just because I thought it was just so fresh for the summer months, but it does come in a whole range of other colors. Now I went ahead and paired it with these really cute jeans that I got on Amazon. What I like about these is that they're a wide leg pant and they do have extra material here on the side. So they give you a really nice long leg. And this is a super comfortable pair of jeans. It does have some stretch to it. And I really like the little ruffed hem here at the bottom of the pants. I think it adds a really nice detail. And I actually like this pair so much that I might even purchase it in the white color. All right, so the next top that I wanted to show you is this cute little knit tank top. And I really like this one because it looks a little bit more elegant than a regular tank top. It has this cute little scalloped edge on the collar. Because it's knit, it does have like this stretch to it. So it's a very comfortable tank top to wear. Now I like that you can dress this up for work with a really nice pair of elegant pants, or you can just dress it down. I've paired it with these cute little shorts that I found on Amazon. Now, my favorite part about these shorts is the cute little scalloped edge here on the bottom. It makes the shorts look very feminine and fun. And I also really like the length of the shorts. It's a really nice length. It's not too short, so it's not too revealing. Next top that I wanted to show you is this cute little boho top that I got myself. I love how light and airy this top is. It's kind of like made out of this super silky material. Now, my favorite part about the top is the colors. I absolutely love the colors of this top with the floral patterns. I think it's just so pretty and feminine. And paired with a nice pair of jeans or jean shorts, I think this is a super cute top for the summer. So now I want to show you a couple of dresses that I got myself. The first dress I wanted to show you is this gorgeous knitted dress that I got myself from a Pretty Garden. I love how comfortable this dress is. It's made out of this stretchy knitted material. It has like the center band to give your waist definition. And it does have this pleated skirt, which is just so flowy and feminine. I decided to get it in this creamy white color, but it does come in a whole bunch of other colors. I actually almost bought the blue one because I absolutely loved it, but I wanted something white so that I could stay nice and classic. All right, the next dress that I wanted to show you is this really cute boho dress. I really love the floral pattern on this dress. I think it looks just so feminine and so delicate. And I did get it in this light blue color, which I think is very pretty for the summer, but it does come in a whole bunch of other colors and patterns. Now the straps are tie straps, so you can adjust this to any height that you want. It's made of a very silky, soft material, and the dress is lined on the inside, so it's not see-through at all. Now I accessorized the dress with this cute little straw bag. I think this is so pretty for the summer. It's just a cute little handbag, but it does come with a strap, so you can wear this as a crossbody if you want to. And because it's in this natural straw color, you can wear it pretty much with any outfit. All right, the next dress I wanted to show you is this cute little ruffle dress. I've been looking for a red dress for my upcoming vacation, and when I saw this, I thought it would be really pretty and feminine, and I like this crisscross effect in the front. I think it gives you a really nice waistline with this tie here, and the skirt is very flowy. It does open up just a little bit when you're walking, so it does make the dress very sexy looking. Now the next dress I wanted to show you is a little black dress, again from the company Pretty Garden. I really like this dress because it's made out of this super soft chiffon material, which is super lightweight and very flowy. Now underneath the dress, you do have a little black slip, so it does prevent the dress from being see-through, but the bottom part does have a little bit of that see-through effect, which I think is very pretty, very ethereal looking. Now the dress does have these little spaghetti straps, which are adjustable. The front of the dress has this V-neck, and there's these cute little white buttons in the front just to give the dress a little bit more detail. And it does have this cinched elastic waist, so it does give you a little bit of definition. Now I got this in the color black because I just wanted a classic black dress, but if you're looking for something a little bit more colorful, I almost did get the coral color, which I absolutely love. Okay, so now let's look at some bathing suits and cover-ups for the summer. Now I found this cute little one piece from the company Relasiga. I've already bought a couple of bathing suits from them, and I have to say that I really love the quality of their bathing suits. Now this bathing suit does have a straight cut and these little spaghetti straps that are adjustable. And what I like about the bathing suit is that it kind of looks like a tank top, so you can wear this with a little pair of shorts or something, and it just looks like you're wearing a tank top. Now I decided to get it in this classic white color, but it does come in a whole bunch of different colors, and I think it's a very pretty bathing suit for any type of occasion. Now to wear on top of that bathing suit, I did get myself this cute little crocheted cover up. I think it's very pretty and very feminine. It has this little scalloped collar and these little sleeves, and the holes on the crochet are pretty big, so it's very breathable. Now I got this in the size small, but if you are looking for something that's going to be a little bit longer on you, you can size up to a medium or a large. The next bathing suit that I wanted to show you is this cute little one piece. I really like how this is a little swim dress. So it does have this little skirt with this little tie here on the side. It's still very modest, but still sexy because it does show a little bit of your leg. Now the skirt in the back does come down at a pretty good length, so I find it's still a very modest bathing suit. And here it does have these adjustable straps, and it does come with cups, so it does provide enough support. I got it with this very cute floral pattern. I think it's just so feminine and delicate, but it does come also in solid colors and in other patterns. Next bathing suit I wanted to show you is this cute little bikini from the company Cupshe. Now I got this bikini in this beautiful floral pattern. I absolutely love how vibrant and tropical looking this bikini is. Now the bikini does come with cups, and it comes with these straps that crisscross in the back, and they do have adjustable straps, so you can lift this up if you need to. Now the bottom is your classic bikini bottom, and what I like is that it does give you enough coverage on the back of it, so it's not too revealing. Now to wear over that bathing suit, I did purchase this cover up. This is a white crocheted dress, but on this one you do have this gold seashell detail here on the bust area, which I think gives it a very elegant and elevated look. It does have a little peekaboo hole right underneath it, and it does have these gorgeous bell sleeves, which I think elevates the dress and makes it look even more elegant. Now the material itself is very soft, very lightweight, and I think it does provide a nice coverage for a bathing suit. The next bikini I wanted to show you is again from the company Cupshe. It's this gorgeous navy blue bikini with these cute little flowers. It has this cute little crisscross detail in the front, which I think looks very elegant. And for the bottom, it does have this high-waisted bikini bottom. Now this does come in a whole bunch of different colors or patterns. Now on top of that, I am wearing this fuchsia pink cover up. I really like this cover up. I think it's a very modest cover up. It does have this elastic waist to cinch your waist and give you a little bit of a shape. It also has this nice v-neck with the cute little button details in the front. And since it's a crocheted dress, again, you have these nice holes that make it very breathable and very airy. The next bikini I wanted to show you is this cute little black and white polka dot bikini. I personally love this bikini. I find it's just so vintage looking. I really like this halter neck top with this little bow here in the front. I find it's very Marilyn Monroe-ish. Now this is a push-up bikini, so it does have these built-in cups here. And since these are tie straps, you can adjust the top super easily. Now for the bottom, you do have this bikini bottom. Again, you have these tie straps on either side, so you can adjust this. And I find that the back of the bikini is not too revealing. Now to wear on top of the bikini, I did get myself this black cover up. This is basically like a shirt dress. It's a very lightweight material that's super flowy and super breathable, and it has this collared neckline with this deep V-neck. It also has these ties on the sleeves, so you can roll up your sleeves and tie them, and it does come down nice and low, so it does provide a lot of coverage. So if you're somebody who's really tall and you're looking for a longer cover up, this would be a really nice option. Now I got it in this black color, but it does come in a whole bunch of other colors. I was actually debating between this one and the white one, but I think the black is a very, very elegant, and if you wear this with a nice beach bag or something, it looks very elevated. All right guys, so those are pretty much all my Amazon summer vacation outfits, and I'd really appreciate if you take the time to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys, happy travels!